Well, good morning. It is kind of a warm morning as you look outside on the Syntex Roof Systems camera overlooking Lake Belton. 77 degrees now, feels like 78. Humidity's at 94%. Winds out of the south at 7 miles per hour. So a warm start to the day, and it'll end up being another hot one. Heat advisory does continue for Waco, Temple, Killeen, as well as Bryan College Station points off to the east. You can see that heat advisory outlined there in the pink. Temperatures already sitting in the upper 70s and lower 80s. 80 degrees in Waco now, 77 in Temple, 78 in Killeen, and 79 in Bryan College Station. That's where we'll start your Wednesday. We'll get into the mid-90s by noon, triple digits this afternoon. Those feel-like numbers could be hanging around 105. So again, plenty of water. Try to limit that time outside if you can. If you do it, to be out in the heat of the day. Frequent breaks in the shade. In your neighborhood, that's going to look like this. 101 in Meridian today, 100 in Evant, 99 in Coppers Cove. Along I-35, we'll call for 101 in Hillsboro, 100 in West and in Waco, 99 in Temple, 100 in Killeen. And over to our eastern counties, likely hanging around 98 in Fairfield, Tig, and Buffalo, 97 in Marquay, and 98 in Cossie, and even down into the Brazos Valley. Those 97s to 98s look to be pretty common here across the area. And remember, those feel-like numbers could be heading closer to 105 to 106. Future Track does show you we're going to have plenty of sunshine out there today. It does show a little bit of green, but I don't think we're going to see any rain. It's going to be a dry one with high pressure continuing to increase. That drier air is working in, and that's going to be something that continues on into Friday as well, with that heat just staying around as high pressure continues to build. And you can see that here on Future Track, that high pressure center that's going to build right over us here as we go into the weekend. That means showers, thunderstorms will rotate around that high pressure center, and we really won't see much in the way of rainfall, at least until we can get this to scoot to the west. And there is a sign that that may happen by the end of the week. If that is able to happen, we could bring in some small chances of rain during the second half of the week on into the end of next week. But until then, looks to stay dry. And you would think we could get some help from the tropics, but right now the only system that's out there is sitting over Puerto Rico. That's Tropical Storm Ernesto, is expected to move to the north towards Bermuda, potentially making landfall as a Category 3 storm there as we get into the weekend. So something we'll be monitoring there across the Atlantic, but nothing bringing us relief here as this heat just continues to roll on through the rest of the work week. We'll even see temperatures get close to 103 early next week. There are some signs we could get things to back off a little bit as we get into the end of next week. And in the Brazos Valley, more of the same. Those upper 90s looking to continue. Could even see temperatures closing in on that triple digit mark by early next week.
Neighbors